Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, when the price was still hovering around 118,000, I mentioned that we could see another leg higher into the 119,000 range. That's exactly what we saw today. Price moved up by approximately 1.31%, briefly touching 119,800 before consolidating around the 119,000 region. During this move, my long wave strategy closed its position on both the 1 hour and 2 hour timeframes. Entry was in the 116,000 range, and exits were around 119,100. This resulted in a clean gain of 1.97% on the 1 hour and 1.74% on the 2 hour charts. As of this recording, I still have positions open. However, I adjusted them by reinvesting, which raised the average entry from 115,000 to 117,400, and again up to 118,400. If price action begins to lose momentum, I may close the 118,400 position at break-even or a small gain. While it looks like price wants to approach the 120,000 mark, there is noticeable resistance. The heat map suggests that this level may eventually break, but for now, sellers appear to be defending it strongly. On the 3-day heat map, the most active zone is clearly 119,950, with an estimated 342 million in positions sitting there. That's currently the only notable level in the vicinity, and with bears dominating the chart, there is a chance they might be squeezed out of their positions soon. Switching over to the 1-week heat map, we see an interesting split. There's a cluster of activity from traders shorting at current levels, forming a heat pocket between 119,950 and 123,500. If that range is cleared, it could mark a significant move to new territory. On the downside, there is also visible leverage buildup between 114,600 and 113,200. Typically, my 1 hour long wave signal has been fairly reliable. That could suggest the price may be overheating in the short term and might need to cool down. Larger timeframes like the 4 hour and above still show strength, but on lower timeframes, we may already be witnessing a temporary top forming. In other market-related news, companies continue increasing their exposure. Metaplanet, a Japan-based public company known for its strategic focus on digital assets, has just purchased an additional 780 Bitcoin. The purchase value was roughly $94 million. This follows their previous treasury allocation strategy and signals ongoing institutional interest. I'll continue monitoring the charts and updating you daily. Join the free Discord if you want to see these moves play out in real time. If this video brought you value, click the like button and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next update. And see you in the next one.